Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to add appointment booking system calendar on Shopify. So first open your Shopify account and then all you need to do is to select a plan. So you can click this select a plan right here and you can choose a plan if you want basic, Shopify, advanced, or you want to have some starter plan. And once you've done right here choosing a plan, click these apps right here and need to go right here and click this all recommended apps at the bottom. So when you tap on that, you want to go right here on this page and click the Shopify App Store. And you will go right here on Shopify App Store and go here on search box and type booking and click enter. And as you can see right here, the results for booking and all of the applications that you can use. Or you can also check the ratings right here if that has like this one 5 stars. So when I click this appointment booking calendar, and here click on add app button. And when you click this add app button, you'll find this page where you can choose an account and then click on install app. Now, once you install this application, you will find this page right here. If you want to use the free access, so click this skip button. So you are here now on this page, appointment booking calendar. So you want to click this button, enable the calendar widget. So you click this one, you need to toggle on this calendar right here and click on save at the top right corner. And after that, go back to that appointment booking calendar and click this. I have already at least one product. So you need to have a product right here to open this application or to use this application. So once you've done, create a service. So click this one and here you can change to computer view or in mobile view. So you can check that and here select product. Then I want to select my digital product here and click on add. And then here we can edit the booking page. I just want to change it or zoom out right here to 80% so I can see that calendar. So as you can see the booking page, you can now change the background color actually if you want. So for example, I want to change it to this color. And if you actually scroll it down here, you'll find other options like the description. You can put the description. For example, I want to put this is a trial. And after this one, scroll down until you find availability. Now right here on availability right here, you can change the availability if you want every day. Then the time right here, you can change that one. Then once you've done, you can now tap on update at the top right. And from here, you can go here on my services and you can now click on view. So tap this view button and then we'll try to book a service. So as you can see, for example, I want to choose a date and time to book this one. For example, this date and this time right here. So once you've done, you can now type the name and email, then click on next. And finally, right here, you book your services right here. Now, if you want to find all the booking schedule or booking appointments, you want to go right here and click this bookings. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.